Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today I'll explain how to apply textures. Let's begin! Let's start! First, prepare an object to apply the texture. This time we will use a sphere. Press Shift plus A and select Mesh UV Sphere. Add modifiers to smooth the sphere. Open Modifier Properties from the Properties panel. Click Add Modifier. Select Subdivision Surface from the context menu. A subdivision surface has been applied. I also put in a smooth shade. Select the object, open the right-click menu in the 3D viewport, and select Shade Smooth. Smooth shade will be applied. This time, we'll apply 3 textures: Color Map, Normal Map, and Roughness Map. This is the shader editor. If there is no material, click the New button here. This is the default node state. Press Shift plus A to add texture, Image Texture. An orange node is added like this. Click the Open button. The Blender File View window will open, so select eColor Map. Click Open Image. Connect color of the image texture to base color of principal BSDF. The color map has been applied. When creating a node for an image texture, you can also drag and drop it directly from Explorer like this. Next, we'll apply the normal map. Create a texture node in the same way as before, and connect color of image texture to normal of principal BSDF. Press Shift plus A to add vector, then normal map. In this way, insert the added normal map node between the texture node in principal BSDF. The normal map has been applied. You can adjust the strength of unevenness from strength of normal map. Finally, let's apply the roughness map. Roughness map is connected to roughness of principal BSDF. The roughness map is a black and white only image, so you need to change the color space to non-color. It's easy to forget, so be careful. Roughness map has been applied. You can see that the groove part that is hard to be exposed to light is darkened. If you want to adjust the roughness, you need to insert a node for adjustment between them, as in the case of normal map. Press Shift plus A to choose Color Invert. Insert the nodes in between like this. A factor of 0 means there is no roughness. The closer a factor is close to half, the less the roughness is. This is the end of the lecture on how to apply textures. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.